Dear friends, good morning. Welcome to my electrical engineering channel. Today's topic is single phase cooler fan motor. It is also known as kit fan motor. There are two types of motor used in cooler. One is exhaust fan and second one is kit motor. Kit motor is having 3-speed winding. It is a smaller motor. Its wattage is 250 to 300 watt and it is very quiet in running, and it is having 3 speeds. The circuit diagram of motor is shown here. It is the one diagram. It is side view of the motor. This is connection diagram. It is winding connection diagram. These motors are having mainly these parts. First is the stator, second is rotor, third is end covers, fourth bush is capacitor 4 microfarad, and it is having a 3-speed single phase winding in its stator. Here this is end cover. This is second end cover. It is holding bush here and here bush. This one is rotor and it is stator. Here is stator winding. So in the stator is made up of thin silicon laminations stacked over each other, and its length is this much, approximately 20-30 millimeter. Here is there is air gap between stator and rotor, and main things that the rotor must be balanced between the two bushes, and there must be complete air gap between the stator and rotor. Stator and rotor must not be touched to each other. So to maintain the air gap, this bush or bearings are very important. If there is play in bearing or bush, then this rotor may touch to the stator and motor will get jammed. Here is the winding diagram of the motor. This one is stator core, outer side. This is rotor. Rotor is having squirrel cage winding, and stator is having running winding and starting winding. Inner side is the running winding. This one is the first coil. This is second coil. From here to here it is third coil. Here to here it is fourth coil. Connection, and here it is the starting coil from this point to this point. From here to here second starting coil. Here to here third starting coil, and here fourth starting coil. Running coil and starting coils are placed at a 90 degree apart from each other. There are 4 coils in running and 4 coils in starting. They are connected in series, and this is, for example, this one is the running winding. Running first coil start, running first coil end. The first coil of running end winding is connected to the second coil of the end side. Means end to end connection, start to start connection, end to end connection. And this way there are 2 main points of the running winding. First one is this, and these are 3 points for low speed, medium speed and high speed. Similarly, starting winding 4 coils are also connected in series. This is first coil, this one is second coil, here is the third coil, and here is fourth coil. And connection is like this. Starting first one, start of this one is connected to the end of this S1 coil, connected to the end of S2 coil. Here again, start of S2 coil is connected to the start of S3 start. Here S4 end is connected to the S3 end, and S4 and start is coming out. So these 2 points are the point of starting winding, and these 4 points are the point of running winding. Here is the main connection diagram is given. This is common point neutral. This is running coil. This is starting coil. Here is the capacitor, and from this point it is the first high speed point. This is middle speed point. It is low speed point. It is connected to the switch, and here phase is given, and in this side neutral is given. Coil connection diagram is shown here also. Here is common point, running first coil, running second coil, running third coil, and running fourth coil. This is start, end to end, start to start, end to end, and this is again start. And here is in last coil there are 3 tappings for low speed, medium speed and high speed. And in the starting winding there is no tapping. Starting first coil, second coil, third coil and fourth coil. It is a 4-pole motor. So here there are 4 coils in each winding. If the motor is 6-pole motor, then in that case there will be 6 coils in series. So it is complete diagram of kit motor, and it is normally used in 90% of coolers. You will see this type of motor. There are some problems come mainly due to bush. If there is a play in bush, then motor may give vibration or some sounds, or sometimes bush may get jam, so motor does not take start. If motor speed is slow, then in that case capacitor is weak. So if we change the capacitor, then motor will pick up the complete speed. So this is the complete diagram of kit motor. And if you feel this is useful to you, please like it. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. And thank you very much. Please visit again and again. Thank you.